Hey guys, you like wobbly walls? Well, we have one for you. Check this one out. This is an older style slumpstone block, and when we look at the integrity of the wall, we can see that it's not straight. It's moving and shifting away from the footing if there is a footing. So let's inspect it. Well, we see that it's retaining. Any type of wall that's retaining really anything is going to be a retaining wall. Since this is a lowercase wall, this is a planter wall, planter retaining wall, if you will. Let's keep on going and take a look. Well, we see that these blocks are smaller blocks, almost the same size as your brick. This is about 3.5 inches, but really it's 4 inches by 8 by 16. These blocks usually aren't used to retain walls, but they went ahead and they built a wall with smaller blocks to retain, and this is usually what happens, especially if you throw no rebar into the equation. So when we're looking at the wall, it's shifting, it's breaking, and it's moving apart. Now, as far as liability for the homeowner, if anyone was to jog, walk, bike ride, and a portion of this wall was to affect their right-of-way or to fall on them, it would be the homeowner's liability. Now take a look at this huge tree. You can only imagine what size the tree roots are. And when you have such a substantial tree, you also want to keep in mind that any type of wall that you build might be affected by the roots. So maybe a better way to go about it is build some type of a fence with minimal foundation. Because a fence, when we build 6-foot fences or 4-foot fences, the foundation is a small block, it's a concrete base, every about 7 to 10 feet. So when we're looking at a 200 linear foot area, we're minimizing our foundation liability. Where here we have a retainer planter wall that goes all the way down about 150 feet. There's going to be a lot of foundational damage if the roots started to shift and move towards the wall. So let's take a look now. Some of the cells are not grouted. They're opening up. This is an indication that maybe the strength of the wall is being compromised. Also the rebar, maybe rebar wasn't installed or wasn't installed correctly. Let's take a look at this section over here. First of all, the house already has a slope. This would be about a 17% slope away from the house. As you can tell, these walkways are a lot newer than this older wall. Now, with so much shifting and moving, this wall is compromised. It shifted off its axis, and now the retaining dirt here, the fill, shifted the block. Now, the correct way to fix this is to excavate all the backfill away from the wall, push it away from the wall, waterproof this entire side of the wall, and reconstruct the blocks, check the integrity of the footing. If the integrity of the footing is still fine, then we could be, potentially be able to place back and retie our rebar, usually number 3 rebar for this type of a block. Anything that's retaining usually is number 4 rebar, but these are smaller blocks. And then we would fill our backfill back, place the cap, and our wall would be a lot stronger and more sturdy. Again, thank you for tuning in to take a little time to watch what we do. My name is Jordan Shafran.